Hello and welcome to a new ADF-BAND tutorial, and today we're going to look at benzene in a magnetic field and how we can make some nice images with this. Okay, first of all we're going to make our benzene molecule by searching benzene in the search option. There we go. Next up we're going to switch to band and we're going to change the periodicity to none, because we only want to have one benzene molecule. Next up, we're going to the external fields by going to Model and then External Fields. We will change the magnetic field in the Z direction or Z direction, and we will change it to 0.1. And we're going to change our method to the LDOTB. Please look at all the information balloons to help you make your choice for your method and your options. Next up, we will run the file and give it our name, benzene magnetic field save. This is a very short calculation and I will cut back to you when it's finished. Alright, it already has finished, and now we will visualize the results by going to SCM view, and then we will add our vector fields. We will select fields, magnetic and current fields, current density. As you can see, we don't have any vectors yet, but when we change our clamp maximum to 5 to the power of -10, and also our color scale, we can visualize some vectors. By clicking the bar, you can see the legend for the different colors. Please use the information balloons to look at what values you should use in your calculations. Next up, we're going to add some streamlines. So we go to Add, Streamlines, and we will select the same field once again. As you can see, now we have some streamlines in our molecule. And we will change our point endpoints to 5. This determines how many streamlines you will see. Next up, we're going to look at a line visualization for these streamlines. So when you click here and go from sphere to line, you can define a line and generate the starting points linearly distributed along that line. So when you click controls, you can move these points and select the different lines on which you can see the streamlines. And if you change this to 10, you can see more and more. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to use the plane option. Here we have a plane where you can drag these controls out to visualize the streamlines in benzene. As you can see, it's very busy and it's a little bit taxing on my hardware. So if you reduce the amount of points, it will run a lot smoother. As you can see, you can create all sorts of images like this, and I want you to try and make this image yourself, and there's a hint in the description down below to help you make it, and I hope this tutorial will help you make some beautiful images with magnetic fields. Thank you guys for watching. If this tutorial was useful for you, please leave a like, leave a comment down below to let us know what tutorial you would like to see next. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this, and as always, take care.